Happy Vlogmas day 2. Today's Sunday. The only thing I have on my like to-do list today is to fill out this like study guide. I have to fill out the study guide for my interior design class, which is like the history of interior design. Like you don't actually get to like design anything. You have to fill out the study guide for our final tomorrow. I've done one page of it. There's like 18 pages. It takes like hours to do it. It's so annoying. I don't want to do it, but I know if I want to get a good grade, I gotta. I haven't done anything today. I've just been watching like YouTube. I try to wake up at like 8 to 9, but today I woke up at like 8 and I was like, no. And then I woke up at 9 and I was like, no. And then I woke up at 10 and I was like, maybe. But if you guys don't remember, yesterday was my meetup, and like for some reason, like during the meetup, I just like didn't realize that like you guys were meeting me. Like people came to like that, and then Kiara was like, how did it feel? And I was like, wait, I kind of forgot that the whole thing happened. Like while I was there, I was just like not realizing it, and like it's starting to like hit me that like people came to see me, and I'm like, oh, what? Wait, what? I'm trying not to think about it because like blowing my mind. So you guys seem to really like the first Vlogmas. Oh, also, if you guys are wondering why I'm doing Vlogmas on my main channel, it's honestly just because I like abandoned my vlog channel after Vlogmas. Like I just have not used it once. I don't really have like a following on it, and like if I'm doing Vlogmas, I want you guys to see it. Like I don't care if I make money from it or not. Like I'm doing Vlogmas kind of for me and for you. Like I want to be able to see the memories. I want you guys to be able to see it, and like no one's gonna watch it on my vlog channel because that is such like an abandoned channel. That's why I'm doing it on here. So every Monday you'll have 2 videos, and then Tuesday through Sunday you'll have 1. I also didn't charge my phone last night, so she dying. Advent calendar time. Where's the second? Oh, right here. Ooh, how do I set you down again? Ooh, I've been wanting this. What shade is it? Will it be too dark for me? I got it. Yeah, that is not my color. You see that? A little dark for me. You see the swatch? Not that tan. This is the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. I really wanted to try it, but I guess I won't be trying it because it's a little dark. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally downloading like every single airline app ever because I want to fly to like see my family, and the returning flights on this are kind of expensive. This is not bad for a flight, but like look how cheap that flight is. Look how cheap that is. I'll be missing a dentist appointment, but it's okay. I'm wondering if I could find like flights that are cheaper. But I'm gonna with my family, so my cousin and I are talking about me flying out there to see like her family, like just me, not the rest of my family. So Mom, if you see this, sorry. We'll see how it goes. Hello, it's been hours later. I'm sure you can hear the AC because it's freaking loud. Do you hear that? And hours later, I have been absolutely unproductive. I've just been like on Twitter, on my phone, doing nothing. It's a Sunday. I'm just chilling. I'm going to finish. Is my phone dead? It's at 20%. I'm going to finish that study guide that I need to do. My mattress topper, I've talked about this before, but it like always slips off and it's like hanging over the bed. So annoying. I went to the dining hall today and all I ate was rice, and it was gross rice. They didn't have anything good. They never have anything good, especially on the weekends. Especially on the weekends. And there was a ton of people that I knew there, so I was like, I don't feel like vlogging because it's awkward. I have friends that like they don't care if they're in the vlogs, and I have friends that like would prefer not to be, just because like, well, there's like their privacy or like their camera shy. Like there's different reasons, and I respect that. So I do have friends that like don't want to be on camera, so if I'm with them, I'll either just like vlog just myself or I won't vlog at all. You guys are like, look how cool that is. Can you do that on PowerPoint? If I'm vlogging and you're like, are you with someone right now? Or like if I don't vlog at all and I like said I did something, that's why, because you gotta respect their privacy. Okay, so I'm gonna do this final review thing. It's like 3 hours later. I've been working on my study guide this entire time, and I'm not even like all the way done with it. I'm gonna go to dinner soon, so I thought I might as well get ready because I have looked ugly all day. Okay, so I think this is what I want to wear. I don't know why I feel like getting dressed up. I just like feel like looking pretty for the night. This is kind of like a casual outfit, but I still feel like it's cute. This is my Alpha Chi like American shirt. I've never worn this and I've always wanted to. It's from the Social Life. Whenever I'm like not sure what I want to wear, I just kind of go for an Alpha Chi shirt, and it normally just looks cute. And then over it, I have this jacket from Rue 21. It zips up. I feel like it's like a bomber jacket. I don't really think that's the name for it online, but you see that right there? Like I feel like it has the style of a bomber jacket, how it's kind of like big bigger. Oh, you can't even see the shirt now. What do we think? I still haven't like put the pants on, but I'm not loving it. I know you guys probably don't care about my outfits anymore, but this is what I decided to wear. So this shirt is a cute little, it's like a tank top. It's a peplum, has little stars on it. It's from Francesca's. Light wash ripped jean jacket is from Rue 21. My black jeans are from Target. They were $15. Best thing ever. Go buy yourself some. And then I decided to wear these boots because I thought they were kind of like brown, kind of like the shirt, and these are from Rue. They're not unzipped, so my foot won't go in it. They're from Rue 21 as well. I just got back from dinner. I ate all of it that I showed you guys, like literally all of it. I shouldn't have done that, but I did. Elevators are still broken, so I still had to take all those stairs upstairs. I'm literally like taking my belt off right now. That's how fat I feel. So much food I've eaten. I did that, and now I am going to finish my study guide and then edit this vlog. So I'm sorry, probably wasn't that exciting. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are excited for Vlogmas. More exciting things to come. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.